She's friend.
Why you're here?
My seat.
It's my seat. Hi,
Hey,
Ashby.
going inside.
Say good morning. This is very good talaga ang baby ko. Quiet sitting.
Why mommy here?
You want to go? Oh, Joey.
What did you say?
You see, Joey's airplane already land behind you.
What
Look
did
at-
you say, Zoe?
Why you're here?
Of course, why cannot? Say
Cannot.
good morning here.
Say
Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, my little Ashby. She's so quiet. Good job. Let's go, guys. We're going to send Zoe school today. Time check is 11:53. Hurry up. Actually, Zoe's rushing. Always rushing.
Wait, Joey, because I'm not yet ready.
What's wrong with you with Ate word? Huh?
Then Ate many
I like to use call Zoe Ate Zoe. What's wrong with you? Huh? Do you have any issues of that?
No, because once I see somewhere 2 or 3 Filipino mates, my goodness, the noisy will be start.
So it doesn't mean about ate or what?
No, we can get it
It's
idea.
depend on person because also you're also noisy. India also. What?
Stop.
I like to put my feet
Mommy,
there.
stop.
What's wrong with you? Why did you
She
sit
said,
on my
"Mommy, sit in
seat?
discipline."
Sit in the discipline.
No, but that's my chair. You also not disciplined.
No.
You see, we watching some videos in the aeroplane. Some people's doing like this. It's also bad. To disturb the front
Mommy,
person.
stop it.
So next time, don't sit there.
Say okay, fine. Now you remove.
Remove your feet.
You say otherwise I will call police.
Tell mommy first. Say mommy first. Mommy,
It's my
promise.
car, not
What?
your car.
This is my car,
I'm the
not.
one who got the idea of this car.
Zoe, promise me you will not sit anymore there.
I wanna sit here anymore.
Promise.
Yeah.
I'm recording you, okay?
Yeah.
Promise.
Yes, just put down.
Ashby's already in the front, guys. Look at her. I did not notice that she's here. She likes here after Zoe down, and then she will move here. So now we're going back, guys. We're going to grocery first a little bit. Tell me how to compute that one. How you gonna compute the hours?
Oh, this one 3 hours.
Okay, tell me how you gonna take the 3 hours. How we gonna compute the time? The duration of the
What
time.
does compute means?
Compute counting.
Counting.
Yes.
Just have extra 15 minutes.
Yes. So how you gonna find the duration? So this is 5:15 to 9 AM, right? So now how you gonna find this? How you gonna count? How you write the time every hour. Go. And
Every
then,
hour.
yeah, you can find the
Minutes of hours.
no, you find first 1 hour. Every 1 hour.
1 hour. What? Mommy.
You take first how you gonna find. For example, 5:15 to what time? 6:10, 6:15 or something what? How you gonna count it?
This one 15 minutes.
What is that? So we know, I will tell you how. The time is like this. For example, we have a clock. This is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. So, the duration from, we counting here. 8:15. This one is 5.
What?
If you're going to count the time, Zoe, in minutes, okay? So this will be 5, 10, 15. For example, your teacher will give you how to take the duration, okay? For example, your teacher will give you 4:20 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay? So how you gonna get the durations from this time?
You have to with the 4 hours to 10 minutes. 10 hours is
No, you have to count first. 4:20 a.m. to 10 a.m. How many hours duration?
I
Go.
was gonna say that.
Okay, go. Find it. You write down here. You can write down here. How you gonna go? Go. You do it your own.
6 hours.
6
No,
hours?
4 to 10 is 6 hours.
Then?
Then
I already teach you, Zoe.
wait. Let
How
me
many
think.
minutes?
Mommy, let me think. I'm thinking and then you disturb.
Wait, I'm gonna ask you first. How many minutes in 1
1 hour.
hour?
60 minutes.
Oh, so I already teach you, right? You have
But
to
this one,
think.
but this one is 6 hours.
Zoe, I already teach you. You have to get first like this. If this is 4 hours, so you have to 4 a.m. 4:20 a.m. to 5:20. Okay? 5:20 to 6:20. 6:20 to 7:20. 7:20 to 8:20. 8:20 to 9:20. Then 9:20 to 10. So you have to find the duration. So how many hours this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did you get it 6 hours, Zoe? Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How about this
It's
one?
only 5 hours.
How about this
And this is minutes, so we already. This is the one I told you. You have to find the minutes. Because this one is until 10 only.
40 minutes.
So how many minutes? How many minutes in 1 hour? 60 minutes. Right.
Yeah.
So minus 20.
Then you have to less the 20. How's the answer? 60 minus 20.
40.
40. So 5 hours in 40 minutes. Very easy, Zoe. Right? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to start. You have to find 1 hour first. How many? You have to focus in this number first. Okay? Then you have to find the 1 hour. Of course, you cannot. 4 to 5 is not 1 hour. We cannot say that it's not 1 hour.
Yeah, because 20 minutes.
Yeah, so you have to also count until 5:20. That one is exactly 1 hour. Now, do you understand, Zoe, the duration? Your teacher
Yeah.
not teaching you properly in this school how to count the duration, because you guys counting like this, this one. Is this easy to you? The like this? Okay, now you count. Okay, now I'm gonna give you one more example.
Question.
Yes, one more questions and you're gonna answer it. Understand?
Yeah.
Until you will not what's this? Okay, now this, for example. Okay, now we are going in the PM. Okay, we're PM now. Okay. Wait.
PM to AM.
No, for example, okay, 10 a.m. to wait. 10:05 a.m. Okay?
You see 5 minutes here, huh?
To what number do you want? To 1 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now find the duration now. Go.
2 hours.
2 hours and how many minutes? 2 hours and 12.
2 hours and 5 minutes.
Zoe, how many minutes
Okay,
in
fine.
1 hour?
60.
60.
So minus
Okay, 60 minus
55.
so 55. So how many? What's the answer here?
2 hours and 55 minutes.
Yay! Good job.
But is that correct? Can you
Is it?
search? Yeah, can you search if it's correct?
It's correct, anak.
But I'm not sure.